Hi kids, how to practice writing numbers? First we will practice line pattern. Standing line, sleeping line, slanting up, slanting down. C, curve, C patterns, then inverted C, inverted C, down curve, up curve, standing line, sleeping line, slanting up, slanting down, C, inverted C, curves, then down curve, up curve. Next, how to practice numbers 11 to 20. 11 to 20. 11. 1 2 standing line, inverted C, sleeping line. 1 2 12. 1 2 12. Then 1 3 13. 1 3 13 standing line, 2 inverted C, 3. 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13. Then 1 4 14. 1 4 14 standing line, 1 4 standing line, sleeping line, standing line, 4. 1 4 14. Next 1 15. 1 5 15 standing line, 1. Again standing line, sleeping line, inverted C, 15. 1 5 15. Then 1 6 16. 1 6 16 standing line, then small slanting line, curve, circle. 1 6 16. 11 12 13 14 15 16. Then 17. After 16 17. How to write 17? Write standing line, then 7. How to write 7? Sleeping line, small slanting line, 7. 16, 17. After 17? 18. How to write 18? 1 8 18. 1 standing line, 18. C, inverted C, slanting line, 18. 1 8 18. Next, after 18, 19. 1 9 19. How to write 1 9 19? Standing line, 1 9. C, circle, then standing line, 1 9 19. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. After 19, 20. 20 20. How to write 20? Inverted C, sleeping line, 2 0. C, inverted C, 0. 20 20. 1 1 11. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 20 20. How to write numbers? Thank you kids.